So in the last video session we learned about the various Environment Protection Act, and now in this video we are going to see the continuation of the first video. Now we can see the qualification of government analyst. So the various qualifications of government analyst are: graduate in science from a recognized university with 5 years experience in a laboratory engaged in environmental investigations, testing or analysis, or if he should be a postgraduate in science or a graduate in engineering or a graduate in medicine or equivalent with 2 years experience in a laboratory engaged in environmental investigations, testings or analysis, or he or she should be a postgraduate in environmental science from a recognized university with 2 years experience in a laboratory engaged in environmental investigation, testing or analysis. Then we can see the various functions of environmental laboratories. So to evolve the standardized methods for sampling and analysis of various types of environmental pollutants, the environmental laboratories are required. Then to analyze the samples sent by the central government or the officers empowered under the subsection 1 of section 2 to carry out such investigations as may be directed by the central government to lay down standards for the quality of environment and discharge of environmental pollutants, to monitor and to enforce the standards laid down, to send periodical reports regarding its activities to the central government, to carry out such other functions as may be entrusted to it by the central government from time to time. Then we can move on to the penalty. Penalty means the fine. Whoever fails to comply with a contravenes any of the provisions of this act or the rules made or orders or directions issued thereunder shall, in respect of each such failure or contravention, be punishable with the imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years, with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees, or with additional fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees for every day. If a failure of contravention referred to in subsection 1 continues beyond a period of 1 year after the date of conviction, the offender shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years. So if we think right now, we can minimize the pollution. While you are thinking about yourself, you have to think about our environment and you have to react upon it. Thank you.